Say goodbye to slips and hello to total control with the Microjig GRR-RIP block. Its green grip surface clings to wood like a magnet, giving you unmatched traction on all surfaces. Whether you're jointing, routing, or bandsawing, this tool ensures safety and precision. The smart handle design gives you 4 adjustable positions for custom control. Built-in smart hooks automatically drop down to grab the wood's tail end. No slip, no fuss, just confident, clean cuts every time. A must-have for serious woodworkers who value both safety and quality. Boost your grip and your results today with this compact and powerful helper. Bringing your cabinet face frames into perfect alignment is now effortless with the Kreg cabinet face frame clamp. It holds rails and stiles flush while you fasten them, making pocket hole joinery smoother than ever. The wide clamping surface ensures firm pressure without marring your workpieces. Featuring an auto-adjusting mechanism, it fits various material thicknesses with minimal setup. With a quick-release trigger and padded grips, it's designed for comfort and speed on the job. From kitchen cabinets to custom furniture, you get tight, gap-free joints every time. Say goodbye to shifting parts and constant remeasuring. This clamp turns 2 hands into one efficient assembly line. It's the secret weapon behind flawless cabinetry. Installing hinges has never been faster or more accurate than with the Garosa door hinge jig kit. This jig eliminates guesswork and messy measurements with its easy-to-set guide system. It accommodates various hinge sizes and positions, making it versatile across multiple door projects. Crafted from durable ABS, it's light enough to carry but tough enough for repeated use. The clamp and root workflow ensures sharp, precise mortises without edge chipping. Whether you're retrofitting old doors or installing new ones, it saves serious time and effort. With clearly marked templates, your layout is foolproof and repeatable. It's a go-to tool for carpenters, remodelers, and DIYers alike. If you're tired of uneven hinges, this kit will change your game completely. Turn rough lumber into smooth masterpieces with the Triton TPL 180, a triple-blade beast powered by a 1500-watt motor. It delivers powerful, high-speed cutting across an extra-wide 180mm surface, reducing the number of passes you need. The triple-blade system ensures even pressure and smoother results with less tear-out. Its flat alloy base glides effortlessly over hardwood, softwood, or reclaimed timber. You can adjust cutting depth on the fly using the front-mounted knob for better control. Dual dust ports keep your workspace clear and safe from buildup. Its ergonomic design balances power and comfort for long sessions. Whether you're flattening slabs or prepping boards for glue-up, this planer stands up to the task. It's a workshop workhorse with finished quality results. This compact clamping marvel from Wolfcraft is built for detail work where space is tight and precision is critical. The MTR-70 features a pointed jaw that grips in awkward corners where traditional clamps can't go. Its ratcheting mechanism locks with firm, even pressure using just one hand, saving time and hassle. With its compact body, it fits into toolboxes or pockets without taking up space. Whether you're assembling furniture, gluing miters, or clamping odd angles, it gets the job done. The durable body holds up in both workshop and on-site environments. Adjustments are smooth and reliable, even after repeated use. It's a small tool that solves big clamping problems in seconds. One try, and you'll be adding a few more to your kit. Take your cutting precision to new heights by converting your Triton Work Center into a full-fledged table saw with the TWX7 Contractor saw module. It features a durable cast aluminum tabletop for accuracy and vibration control. With a tool-free blade guard and a riving knife system, safety and setup are both prioritized. The smooth gliding fence lets you rip boards with surgical precision, even on repeated cuts. Designed for large panels and fine joinery, it adapts easily to your project's scale. It locks into the TWX7 system seamlessly, becoming a fully integrated cutting station. The powerful motor tackles hardwoods, plywood, and sheet goods with ease. You can switch back to routing or sanding modules anytime, giving your shop full flexibility. It's a game-changing centerpiece for serious woodworkers. Secure your work in seconds with the Wolfcraft Mobile Quick Clamp, the portable solution for dynamic shop setups. It mounts easily to compatible work tables, offering strong and stable clamping power right where you need it. The adjustable jaw pivots to conform to your material, providing even grip on flat or angled surfaces. Its quick lock lever makes setup and release instant, keeping your workflow smooth. Built with hardened steel and a composite body, it's strong without being bulky. Ideal for sanding, routing, gluing, or assembly, it excels in multi-step operations. The clamp stays mobile yet firm, giving you ultimate versatility. When bench space is tight and you need control on the move, this clamp delivers. It's the definition of smart shop efficiency. Ditch the compressor and cords with the Bosch GNH 18V 64MD, a powerful cordless finish nailer built for smooth, consistent fastening. Powered by Bosch's 18V platform, it drives nails effortlessly into trim, paneling, or light framing. Its brushless motor offers longer runtime and better efficiency on every project. The slim nose design gives you visibility and access in tight spaces. Tool-free depth adjustments let you fine-tune flush or countersunk finishes. Jam release is quick and clean, minimizing interruptions in your workflow. The magazine loads easily and holds enough nails for extended sessions. Balanced, lightweight, and ready to roll, it's a trim carpenter's dream. Go cordless and never look back. Moisture control is critical in woodworking, and the STIHL Moisture Gauge is your precision tool for the job. With a clear digital display and fast readings, you'll instantly know whether your lumber is ready to cut, carve, or glue. It measures quickly and accurately across a variety of hardwoods and softwoods. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it's ideal for both workshop and field use. Knowing your wood's moisture prevents warping, splitting, and glue failures. The sturdy body resists wear, so it stays reliable project after project. Whether you're checking reclaimed wood or kiln-dried stock, this gauge saves materials and money. It's essential gear for woodworkers who value stability and precision. Stop guessing and start building with confidence. The IQ Drill Jig is your go-to solution for perfect hole placement every single time. With a sturdy base and precision guides, it makes dowels, shelf pins, or screw holes exactly where you want them. It replaces shaky freehand drilling with pro-level accuracy in just seconds. Adjustable stops and built-in spacing features mean no more rulers or repeats. The compact design is easy to store, but tough enough for daily shop use. Whether you're building furniture or shelves, you'll love the consistent, clean results. It's like having a mini drill press in your tool bag. Every hole, perfectly placed. No mistakes, no mess. Let this jig sharpen your workflow and level up your builds. Upgrade your table saw game with the Woodpecker's compact auxiliary rip fence. Precision and adjustability packed into a lightweight form. It attaches quickly and easily to your existing fence, giving better control when working with narrow or small stock. The unique L-shaped design increases safety while offering more support where you need it. Built from anodized aluminum, it's durable, straight, and perfectly machined. It eliminates flex and keeps your cuts clean, even on tricky operations like rabbets and dados. The integrated T-slot lets you add stops or jigs for repeatable accuracy. You'll appreciate how it keeps your fingers farther from the blade. It's a smart upgrade that brings custom fence performance to any setup. Small in size, big on control. Say goodbye to blade drift and hello to straight. Clean cuts with the Bow Products Guide Pro. This tool acts as a third hand for your bandsaw, maintaining consistent pressure against your workpiece for smooth resawing. Its flexible urethane feathers grip firmly without marring your wood. Setup is tool-free and quick, clamping to most standard fences in seconds. You'll notice tighter tolerances, fewer blade deflections, and less sanding needed afterward. Ideal for curved or rip cuts, it's a must-have for bandsaw enthusiasts. With reduced friction and better feed control, your hands stay safe and steady. Built for durability and reliability, it's as tough as it is smart. Once it's on your saw, you won't want to work without it. Enhance your table saw or router table safety with the Bow FP5, a portable featherboard that delivers both control and innovation. Its high-density foam fingers flex independently to apply consistent pressure while reducing kickback. Unlike traditional plastic models, these won't mar your workpiece and provide better hold. It clamps easily into standard miter slots and adjusts quickly for different material thicknesses. Whether you're ripping long stock or rooting edge profiles, it keeps things running smooth and straight. The compact size fits most benchtop tools without getting in the way. You'll love how it improves your workflow and boosts confidence during cuts. Lightweight yet rugged, it's built to take a beating. For serious woodworkers, this is an instant favorite. Move your heavy woodworking machines effortlessly with the Rockler all-terrain mobile base. Its rugged wheels glide over rough floors, shop debris, or cords without breaking a sweat. Designed to hold up to 800 pounds, it supports even the heaviest tools like jointers, lathes, and saws. The adjustable platform fits a wide range of machine footprints. Once in place, foot-operated locks keep it rock-solid and vibration-free. You'll love the newfound flexibility in your shop layout. No more struggling to reorganize your workspace or clean under machinery. It turns static tools into dynamic workstations in minutes. Built for convenience, mobility, and durability, it's a must for modern shops. If intricate cuts and tight curves are your passion, the Grizzly G0969 scroll saw delivers artistry with precision. With a massive 21-inch throat and variable speed control, it slices through hardwoods and softwoods like butter. The foot pedal frees your hands, giving ultimate control during detailed scroll work. Its cast iron table minimizes vibration, while the toolless blade change keeps things efficient. You can adjust tilt for bevel cuts, opening up new creative possibilities. The built-in dust blower keeps your cut line visible and clean. From signs to fretwork, this saw handles delicate jobs with ease. It's a go-to tool for serious crafters and pro builders alike. Every curve becomes smoother, every detail sharper. Crank out bowls, spindles, and furniture legs like a pro with the Growltech G0995 heavy-duty lathe. Its robust cast-iron frame and powerful motor ensure vibration-free turning even at higher speeds. The 20-inch swing and 35-inch distance between centers offer ample space for ambitious projects. Variable speed control lets you fine-tune the RPM for different wood types and cuts. With a digital readout, you always know your settings at a glance. The sliding headstock and adjustable tool rest give maximum flexibility. Whether you're roughing out blanks or finishing fine details, it's built to keep up. You'll love the quiet, steady performance session after session. For serious turning power, this machine stands in a class of its own. Drill Cleaner, faster holes with the Lennox Speed Slot. A revolutionary hole saw with effortless plug ejection. Its staircase-shaped slot design makes removing cores as simple as a twist. Made with bimetal construction, it powers through wood, plastic, and metal with ease. The enhanced tooth geometry gives aggressive cutting while extending blade life. You'll notice less vibration and smoother starts thanks to its well-balanced frame. Whether installing door hardware or running conduit, it keeps the pace high and the burnout low. Fits standard arbors for quick tool swaps on the job. It's a dependable tool that makes every bore smooth and quick. Say goodbye to stuck plugs and slow cuts. Compact yet packed with power, the Metabo FMV18 LTX BL8 is the cordless trim router that keeps precision in your hands. Powered by an efficient brushless motor, it's built for edge profiling, slot cutting, and fine trimming. You get variable speed control for dialing in the perfect finish on every pass. The clear base plate offers full visibility, while the rubberized grip ensures control even on tight curves. With tool-free depth adjustment and spindle lock, bit changes are fast and easy. Compatible with all Metabo 18V batteries, it fits right into your cordless workflow. Whether shaping furniture edges or cabinetry details, this router handles it with finesse. Lightweight, versatile, and surprisingly tough, it's a craftsman's dream. Tired of messy cords and tangled cables? Rockler's Cord. Winding brackets are the workshop solution you didn't know you needed. These steel brackets mount easily to your bench, wall, or mobile base to keep power cords neatly wrapped. With a clean winding design, you can unspool just the length you need without the clutter. Perfect for routers, sanders, or shop vacs, it reduces tripping hazards instantly. The brackets are strong, powder-coated, and built to last for years. You'll reclaim workspace and cut down setup time across the board. No more searching for the end of a buried cord mid-project. It's a simple tool that makes your entire shop run smoother. Organization has never looked so clean. Take your precision routing to another level with the Match Fit Grid Router Guide Kit, a complete system for fast, accurate layouts. It transforms your router into a grid-cutting powerhouse, perfect for installing clamps, dog holes, and hardware. With included templates and guides, spacing is uniform and repeatable every time. Made from CNC milled polycarbonate, it's rugged and see-through for perfect alignment. Setup is quick, and the results are flawless across any surface. Whether building a multifunction table or jig base, you get shop-grade results with zero math. The compact kit stores easily and travels well for on-site work. Combine it with match fit clamps, and your workflow gets even more efficient. For layout speed and precision, this is the pro's choice. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.